This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello. I have to unpack, and normally I would have everything top down, but I was like, no, I'm lazy. Let's do actually realistic unpacking. And I want to show you the stuff I didn't use because there was a lot of it. And it's no fault to, it is all my fault actually. What am I saying? It's all my fault. I had all intentions of wearing makeup, and then that changed when I was like, I'm on vacation, bitch. I don't want to put anything on my face. I just want to eat like a little fat dumpling and I just want to like lay in my own juices. Disgusting? Absolutely. Did you expect any less? I hope not. Anyway, so this is what I packed with me. This big bitch here. I will say that I had all intention of doing a video. I really did. But then, you know, I had friends in town and there was a couple late nights, too many vodka sodas. And I was like, well, I'm not fucking doing anything. And I got really exhausted. But when I was packing, I really wanted to put everything. Oh my God. Ew, you see me. Hi. I wanted to get everything in this little guy right here. So actually, let me show you how I packed everything because I'm very happy and proud of myself because I fit my whole makeup routine, most of my makeup routine in one little makeup bag. So hold on, let me show you. Also, doing it with one hand, kind of a pain in the ass, kind of a nightmare. But this is how the vloggers do it. I did use this. Fleur. I love Fleur. What I actually wind up doing is putting my makeup and pretty much just my perfumes and stuff like that, fragrances. So we did use Fleur. We love Fleur. Vanilla Skin is amazing. We did use this guy. Oh, the label has seen better days, but this is from Summer Friday, not Summer Fridays. What is this? Naked Sunday? Naked Sunday. I knew it was one of the day brands. Naked Sunday. This is really good. I swear by this stuff when I go to theme parks. It is the absolute best. Don't with the Super Goop setting spray. It's gonna leave your mouth feeling all kinds of weird. Don't ask why I know, but this one is really, really good. So I did use this one. I put all my makeup in here. I'm so proud of myself. We will get to you in a second, Bubby, though. And then of course I did use this guy too. Lost Cherry, Tom Ford. I'm just obsessed. I love it so much. Okay, so on this side, I only packed one palette, and it was this guy, the Viseart, I don't even know how to pronounce that. The Siren Song palette, that's what I'm gonna call it. I love it because it's a neutral ass bitch, but the shimmers though are pretty fucking top notch. It's good because it's one of those palettes that I don't have to think about it. Whatever I do color combination wise, it always works out. And I only use this palette once. I only use this palette once because after that I realized I didn't pack any shimmer brushes. So I had to finger my eyeball a couple of times with these shimmers. And I mean, it wasn't bad, but like it wasn't great either. So anyway, that was the only time I used this palette. But I would happily bring this back with me on vacation because it is a great palette if you just want a daytime or a nighttime look. So I highly recommend Viseart. Give them a try. I feel like they're fairly priced, and especially for what you get, I think it's fantastic. And I just love this palette. It's one of my favorite palettes from Viseart. So actually, when I left for the cruise, I was using the violet one. And then, yeah, I decided to take the Siren Song or whatever this one's called. But yeah, we like her and she's a little disgusting, but don't mind her. It's fine. Did not use this. I packed this, did not use this. Although I should have though, because that boat dried me out. I don't know what was going on, but I felt so congested. My sinuses were really weird, so I didn't love that. And I could have used this. I could have used it. Now in here, we also have another fragrance. Boop, 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 boop. Come here. I love this stuff. Heavy cream. Amazing. Smell like a fancy stripper barista. I did use this. I love this stuff. The All Nighter Extra Glow. Amazing. It makes me so happy. My favorite setting spray besides this guy. Now here, I wanted to put this in a bag because it's thorn oil, and if it gets all over the place, it's a nightmare. And then of course it's a cosmetics brush cleaner, which actually I didn't even use because I didn't pack any shimmer brushes with me because I'm a moron. So I don't use this for natural hair brushes. I only use it for synthetic brushes. Anyway, so didn't use that. And I used this, of course. Oh, of course. And I also did my nails and I just did it up. Good job, girl. Okay. My nails looked really bad when I came home. And yeah, because I'm going willy-nilly, now I created some... Yeah, okay. We're gonna have to do that again, but whatever. Whatever. I'll have to do that later. I did not use this, but I did pack extra hand sanitizer because people are disgusting. you know, it's cruises. People are nasty. And then, of course, I really do love this bag from Singed Beauty. This has been really, really helpful for my brushes. Not crazy about the fabric, although it does look pretty good right now, but it tends to kind of sometimes get little fuzzies and shit like that, which I don't love. So I'm really not looking forward to the day when makeup spills on this and really making it like a fucking gross mess. But since that day hasn't come, that's fine. But I know it will happen one day. But what I like about this one is that you could fit a lot of stuff in this guy, and I'll show you what I packed, but you could fit a lot of stuff in this guy, and it is just so compact, and I really do appreciate that. But all right, so anyway, this is the empty bag. This is from Cowpack. This is the large guy. These are very expensive, so if you were interested, get them on sale. It's so much better. And of course, I had to bring the like hot pink Barbie pink to the Bahamas because I just felt like it was necessary. But yeah, don't regret anything about packing everything in that. Actually, I kind of regret a little bit because I didn't use most of it. I didn't use most of it, but who cares? Who cares? Anyway, okay, so we have this, and I kind of threw stuff in here when I was packing, but I swear most of the stuff actually fit into here. But we have, of course, I did use this, Borean, the CC Red Color Correct, or the Red Correct, whatever the fuck this is. This is really good if you have redness in your skin. It's amazing. I love these. These are like a really good, like shittier version of the Ola Henriksen lip peptide, whatever. These are just a good shittier version. And I say shittier because they don't last as long as Ola Henriksen, but listen, they're cheaper. They have beautiful colors. Like you're not going to go wrong if you do get something like this, but just know that Ola Henriksen is better, but I'm very happy about these stuff. They just have to keep reapplying them as opposed to the Ola Henriksen. So that's the only difference there. Love that little bubby. I have one of those. Oh yeah, I have some of the Fenty guys. Did not use that. I actually did use this guy. Didn't use this guy. Didn't use this guy. Didn't use that guy. And sure as shit did not use that guy. Don't know where the I was going for a 3-day cruise, but apparently I was going all over the world. So yeah, did use him. Of course, the Cleona Shine On, cannot live without it. And then I think that's it. This little gross puff, did use that. Here's some of the brushes I got. Didn't use this because I wound up actually using my finger when I was blending out my concealer. So that's funny. Did use this, guys. This is from Bristles Beauty, RIP. I love their brushes, but they no longer exist. This is a great lower lash line smudger brush. So good. This one's awesome from Singe. Really love this one. This is the liner brush, and you can see like a little crooked tip there. That one's super good. I did use that one. Didn't use this guy from Sonia G. Did use the little guy. This is from Ref. These are all Reffer. Did use him. Did use him. I think this is number 14. Number 1. Did use number 1. Number 3. I don't think I used number 3 actually. Did use this guy another number 14. I'm actually surprised. Usually it's number 13 that I pack, but I guess I got 14. And then of course I did use him. This is a number 2. Now I should have packed shimmer brushes, but I didn't. But instead I packed a bunch of face brushes because I brought all cream products with me. So I did use this guy. This is from e.l.f. Actually, these are all e.l.f. brushes. These are so good for cream products. I love them so much. This is a nice stipple brush. Use that for my bronzer. This guy is like a nice complexion duo guy, right? This is liquid bronzer and contour. I actually also used it. I go back and forth between blush and bronzer with this guy. Oh, here's my pencil. This is my eyebrow pencil. Actually, I did use that guy. Complexion duo. I did not use him. I don't think I used him either. Another complexion duo guy, right? Yep. Did not use him. Yeah. So I overpack brushes. Surprising nobody. Okay, let's, I always have to be very gentle when I do this because I have a tendency of knocking the other lipsticks behind. But okay, we're good. My feet so cute. They're so cute. Here's my Vizier palette. It's gonna go here. Technically, I put this guy right here. Oh my God, look at this thing. This is a new one. Look how I can't even bring this anywhere because it just leaks. I don't know why. So I kind of just have to leave him right there. Borean, go in here. Go right there. Oh, you're metal. Oh, what the fuck? Ah, okay. It's like, why are you hanging on to each other? Ah, okay. You saw that, right? Okay. That scared the shit out of me. All right, I'm gonna leave you alone. Okay, fine. All right, buddy. All right. Okay, these are clean. Put you over here. Yeah, I think I need more brush storage. I need more brush storage. I'm gonna leave these two on the side because I have to clean those later. Okay, so let me show you all the shit in here. Oh my God, okay. Aren't you proud of me? Like, I didn't really bring a lot of stuff. I'm proud of myself, and I still didn't use half of this shit. All right, let me show you what I got. Yes, obviously, 1,000 times yes, we love her. I will always use her till the end of time. And I did use her too, the Bad Gal Bang. Because I had like a brown eye look, I need a brown mascara, so this one made sense. Did not use this one, but can I tell you, I really like this one. This is from House Labs. This is their new mascara. The wand is kind of stupid. Oh, let me show you. Okay, this is hard with one hand. Oh, okay. The wand is kind of dumb. It's kind of really like, I don't know, just kind of a really weird shape. But when I tell you, it gives me lift and separation like nobody's business. Like, this is really, really good. It's definitely also a drier mascara. So I do get a little bit of crumbles, but not as bad as some other ones. Anyway, I really recommend this one. And especially during the Sephora sale, I say pick this one up. It's super good. I did use a little bit of this guy. Love my CoverGirl powder. Did use a little bit of this guy, the Super Goop, the Daily Dose. I love this. I love this. I love this SPF so much. So good. I go back and forth between that and the Naked Sundays or whatever. Did not use these. These are the Chode Sticks. These are the Chode Sticks. Didn't use them. And I purposely brought all different colors too, which is kind of a shame because they're very beautiful. But this is the shade Piggy. Piggy is so pretty. And then this is the shade, where are you? You little, hold on. How do people do this shit? It's like, I can't do this. This is Sleepy Girl. So pretty. Love her. Didn't use them. Did use her, the Rare Beauty. I'm really, really loving this. I really love the color and I love the longevity and I just think it's so beautiful. So if you've been interested in wanting to check this out, highly recommend it. And I actually did use this guy. Surprisingly, I did use him, although I forgot how much it kind of runs in the outer corner. Didn't love that. So I did do a couple of videos on the ship and I think my eye makeup is probably all janky. It's due to the Fenty pencil. So thanks, bitch. But in any case, I just love this color. I think for most of the time it stays in my waterline. It's just when it goes to the outer corners, it starts to kind of like blend into just a shit mess. But in the middle of my waterline, it looks perfect. Did not use him, which is a shame because I love this stuff, but I did not use. I did use this. This was the only blush that I actually used, and it's the shade Fox, and this is perfection. This is so good. If I was lost on a desert island, oh, I should do that. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. That's actually a really good idea. If I was stuck on a desert island, what would I pack makeup-wise? Why would I pack water or like, you know, a radio or something like that when I could pack Merritt's Fox? All right, I'm going to do that. If you want to see that video, just say well, actually, what could we say? Wilson? We'll do Wilson. We'll do Castaway. Wilson. Just yell Wilson in the comments. But oh, I am going to be doing Bury Me, the makeup time capsule, because a lot of y'all wanted to see it. And I wanted to do it before I left, but that did not happen. So I'm going to do that next week. But yeah, so be on the lookout for my makeup time capsule. I'm super excited about that. But yeah, if you want to see what I would pack on a desert island, desert island. Because, you know, even at our lowest, we still need to feel good. Let me know by screaming Wilson in the comments. So yeah, anyway, Fox, so good. Did not use either one of these guys, which is a shame because I love them. This is from Melt Makeup. This is the Slick Waterline Pencils. Of course, I have it in the shade Olive. Now I feel comfortable using it because it's no longer discontinued. They just didn't have it on their website. Now they have them. And then I think this is the shade Caramel, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, whatever, go that way. Now for foundation, I use these two exclusively and I loved them. Although my skin was really dry, which kind of sucked. And I think the boat was just drying me out. But so I had to use extra Thorn Oil because I was like, God, why am I so dry? But the NYX Buttermilk Glaze, super good. And the Milani Conceal and Perfect Blur Out Skin Tint Stick. A combination of these two is fucking everything. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. I love them both. And if you're curious about the shades, I am, what are you? I don't even know what you are. Whipped Butter? I think this is Whipped Butter. And I think this is like number 1. Yep, number 1. Dumbass. I didn't even realize it's literally right there. It says Whipped Butter. Okay, those I actually used. And oh, no, I take that back. No, I did use that. Look what I found. I found 3 more of these in my house, and that makes me so excited because I thought it was lost forever. This is the Becca Under Eye Powder. Spoiler alert, this is definitely going with me in my makeup time capsule. I love this stuff. And I decided to bring this with me, which I know is kind of dicey considering I'm like going on vacation, but I figured, you know what? You're gonna have to clutch this out of my cold dead hands because I love it so much. But this I use under my eyes. This I set around my neck. And then the last things are these guys right here, which are highlighters. I did use a little bit of both of them. The CL highlighter, this is new. I really, really like it. It's very Alien Slut, super pretty. This is in the shade Piper. So cute. Since I was going with like all neutral looks, I kind of went with like all neutral makeup. Surprising nobody, of course. And then this one is so good. The Lumi Le Glace. I have that in the shade Glassy Pearl Eclat. So good. So yeah, so I kind of use majority of this. Oh yeah, and I forgot about this guy right here. Eyeshadow primer. Yes, we did use her. So yeah, my whole goal was actually like I had to shove everything in here. And yes, I know there were some things in the Singe Beauty, but when I tell you I loaded this mother up because I was like, no, we're not doing 85 bags. I'm only on the cruise for literally 3 days, so we're not doing that. And joke's on me, didn't even use majority of this stuff. Actually, no, I take that back. I did use a chunk of this stuff. I just didn't really use the blushes and the mascara. But everything else I use though. So you know what? I'm being too hard on myself. Good for me. Anyway, let's clean this bitch up. Oh yeah, this is like my my little shame area of like random assorted primers and SPF and all that other bullshit. I do love Naked Sundays. They're so good. All right, stay. Oh my God, see, I was not kidding. Look, how precious. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Don't get me wrong. I love my Tarte powder. I love him to pieces. It's so good. But the fact that I get to have a couple more days with this, by days, I mean like months. I'm going to try to stretch it as long as humanly possible. Who are we kidding? But the fact that you just told me that I get to be with my old lover again, bitch, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, ma'am. Okay. Be gentle. I think I need to organize all of this better because it's kind of like a little bit of disarray. And I have so much shit in here. I don't know. Let me know if you want a video of just me like organizing stuff. Just say organize me or whatever. Yeah, this looks kind of a fucking mess. We need organization here. I also need to not close it on my hand. I think we're good. Okay, and listen, there you have it. I put back all my stuff, and listen, don't overpack. Don't be like me, all right? Just don't overpack. Anyway, now I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below. I feel like, because you're not seeing my face, my hand will have to suffice here. But now I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you want to see my, Wilson video, and if you want to just sit down and just organize with me, as I just probably talk about nonsense. Let me know, because I love hearing from you. And of course, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this disgusting, filthy garbage boat afloat. And I love your faces. And I will see y'all on Friday, because we're going to be doing a ranking video of all the products that I've tried so far this year. I'm going to let you know where they sit on my list of rankings, whether they are I f with it versus I don't f with it. So anyway, I miss y'all's faces. I'm back from vacation. So expect more videos, like a lot more for March. Anyway, I love your faces, and I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.